Hey Misty, I love your shirt. How do you make it?
Oh, well, thank you. It's really easy. Let me show you. So you just need a 10-inch square of your So Light Missouri Star Fusible or Wonder Under or anything like that, Heat and Bond. And so then I have a 5-inch blue square and some 1-inch strips. I just use all of my scraps that were left over from this cute fabric. It's called Oh Say Can You Sew by Amy Latta. And so I'm going to take this over to the ironing board. I'll grab all my supplies here. And I'm just going to put the bumpy side up, and then I'll put the wrong side of the fabric down. And I'm just going to lay this on here kind of willy-nilly. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'll tuck that little raw edge under to make our flag. And you'll see it's hanging over, but I'm not really worried about that. I just want to cover up all of the fusible part. So I'll just
cute.
Work through here. Just layering all these different fabrics. And then we'll come in again until we fill this whole square, just like so. A couple more. Whoops, that one shifted on me now, of course.
It happens.
There we go. And one more at the bottom here. And so then now I'm just gonna press this gently. If you're worried about any of the fusible poking through, you can put a pressing cloth on top, but we're just gonna press straight down and lift. You don't wanna slide it until you know it's fused. So we've fused that all. You can see it looks just like that now, and I've got my paper backing. And so really all I need to do is I'm gonna take my heart template and I'll lay this on here, and I'm gonna use this little point of the heart, put that right on the blue bit, and then we'll just cut this out. Oops. Sometimes you have to go back into that point with scissors, but you get the idea. You just do a better job. And if you don't want to mess with the rotary cutter at all, of course you could trace it on the back side and cut the whole thing with scissors. So let me just come here and snip through these where I missed it with my rotary cutter. There we go. My blade must be getting dull.
Happens to me all the time.
That's just life, isn't it? But that's how it looks. And so then all you do is peel off the paper backing, and all of your little strips will be stuck together. And now you can add this to your shirt or a tote bag or whatever you want. And then once I fused this to that, then you're just gonna top stitch along all of your little edges to secure it in place. And it's as easy as that, super quick and easy.